What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. Now, AMMONYC R8 is all wrapped up. Did a few extra things on this time. I also came down for a full strip down of the old wrap, which is Vivid Gloss Nardo Gray. Still look great. Post a link there in the top corner to that video. Did a walk around of it. Now, let me know what you think about Larry's car. I think it looks spectacular, actually. It's very tasteful, not over the top, and I love the transition from the red to the black. But hey, let me know what you think about it. I'm really excited to give you a walk around of this fresh wrap and what it looks like in the end. This film that we used on it was Oragaurd, so by Orafol, 3951 PS, with an overlam of matte laminate. So it looks wicked, super smooth. This film went down with zero glue lines. When I say zero glue lines, I mean there isn't a single one, not even a hair of one. Film sticks very well, corners very well, and did a really good job. So I'm excited to do the next print that I have coming up on the Lamborghini Huracan. That's going to be really cool, and it's going to be a bit different as far as challenges go. This car is challenging to wrap. Obviously we have a massive hood, and there are some areas like the mirrors that are super difficult to wrap as well. I think the mirror takes me like an hour each one. I'm gonna get up and give you a walk around right now. So we're gonna check it out front to back. Got my little decal down there. Same with this side. Now, everything was taken off the car, of course. Mirrors are super challenging to wrap. They take quite a while to wrap. They gotta fully come apart, and there are several pieces. So we have a seam here, one on the inside, and then one in this little recess in here, in that little sliver. And then we have one also around the entire face of the main piece on the top there. So it's a bunch of pieces. So you can see that this film actually has a very smooth finish. Now there's some fingerprints on it and stuff like that. We also did matte PPF over top of the gloss carbon fiber blade that's on the side. Looks incredible. You can see like what some of the corners look like and stuff. Super, it's just a little dusty. Super smooth finish. Tinted out the lights, tinted out all the side markers. Spoiler, of course, is wrapped. Like, check out the corners on this thing. It looks really nice. We still got the embossing on the rear section here, sort of the rear bumper part. And then I also got my signature behind the plate. Let's bring it all the way out. The line that's right down here is, again, I mentioned before in my last video, that's PPF. It looks really good. So, very happy with this project. It was really fun. So I do want to give a big shout out to a couple of people who are friends of mine. So Tom Coppola came by to help install this from Coppola Customs. I'll put a link to him in the description below, as well as Second Skin, who really came through. Second Skin's in Toronto. They do a ton of printing, a ton of wraps, really excellent work. Came through like the last minute because the design guy that I was using in the very beginning for this didn't come through. So Second Skin stepped up, Thiago stepped up with this and really got it done in like a couple of days. We did filming and all sorts of stuff. It was really helpful with all the content, so thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Larry and I very much appreciate that. We're gonna get this car outside. I'm gonna show you what it looks like outside. Okay, so of course we had to get a video outside. We have a good look at it here.
I love it.
It's amazing.
I think the red, I think I like the red more than the black.
I do. But it's the contrast between the two.
And in the front with the black against the red, it's stunning.
Yeah. You're gonna have a lot of fun with this one. I don't think you're gonna want to take it off as soon as.
I don't actually think I'm gonna put any more stickers on it besides wood.
Beautiful. It's so beautiful.
I'm gonna get the windows tinted though. I think a light tint might help.
Yeah, something would be nice.
Oh, you know what? We haven't even blacked in the. We haven't blacked in the thing. You know what I mean? Just let people know that.
So that's it, guys. Let me know what you think about the wrap. Again, I'm totally open to comments and ideas of what maybe we could have done, or maybe what we'll do next time, or whatever. But again, I think it looks amazing. The contrast from red to black really stands out. Looks like the front end of the cars is on fire. Basically, it's like coming through the atmosphere. It's awesome. It suits the body shape of the vehicle really well. Again, thanks Thiago for helping out, and thanks Tom for helping out as well, and thanks Larry for having me come down. That's it, guys. Thanks, Larry. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.